Hold on to your hats, kids. We're diving into the jungle for something tiny and wild. Meet the Tarsier. These little critters are no bigger than your hand but have eyes as big as saucers. They can jump 40 times their own body length. Imagine jumping over a school bus. Tarsiers are nocturnal, meaning they love to party all night and sleep all day. How cool is that? Did you know their eyes don't move? Instead, they can twist their heads like an owl. Spooky but awesome, right? And guess what? They chat with each other using sounds humans can't even hear. It's like their own secret language. Want more wild and wonderful facts? Hit that subscribe button like this video and share it with your friends. Keep the adventure going on Animal Facts 100. Let's explore the world together, one amazing creature at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.